1960s, 1970s, the genesis of Hyundai's automotive legacy. Founded in 1967, Hyundai Motor Company took its first strides in the automotive world with the introduction of the Hyundai Pony in the early 1970s. Although met with mixed reviews initially, the Pony marked the beginning of Hyundai's commitment to becoming a global automotive player. 1980s, international expansion and strategic collaborations. In the mid-1980s, Hyundai embarked on a journey of global expansion by establishing a presence in the United States. Strategic collaborations with international automotive giants, such as Mitsubishi, contributed to Hyundai's technological advancements and global recognition. 1990s, design, innovation and quality assurance. The 1990s saw Hyundai addressing quality perceptions with the launch of quality improvement programs. Simultaneously, Hyundai's commitment to innovative design became evident with successful models like the Accent and Elantra. 2000s, embracing green technology and advanced features. Entering the 21st century, Hyundai made significant strides in eco-friendly initiatives by introducing hybrid models and fuel cell sedans. In 2008, the Hyundai Genesis garnered international acclaim, showcasing Hyundai's capabilities in crafting premium vehicles. 2010s, electric mobility and future-forward technology. The focus shifted to electric mobility and autonomous technology during this decade. Hyundai's Ioniq, available in electric, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid versions, underscored the company's dedication to sustainable mobility. 2020s, Hyundai in the age of electrification. The 2020s marked Hyundai's strong presence in the era of electrification. The launch of models like the Kona Electric and Ioniq 5 solidified Hyundai's position as a provider of eco-friendly solutions with impressive performance. Future outlook: Hyundai's vision for connected and autonomous mobility. Looking ahead, Hyundai is at the forefront of developing connected and autonomous vehicles. With a focus on enhancing driver safety and intelligence, Hyundai is poised to lead the charge in the revolution of future mobility. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a global automotive powerhouse, Hyundai's journey has been one of continuous innovation and adaptability. With a commitment to cutting-edge design, advanced technology, and sustainability, Hyundai is well positioned to navigate the ever-changing landscape of the automotive industry. The years to come promise even more exciting developments as Hyundai shapes the future of mobility.